What if you could earn money without constantly working for it? Imagine having multiple income streams that run in the background, generating consistent revenue with minimal effort from you. The key to building long-term wealth is creating passive income, where your money works for you, not the other way around. In this video, we'll dive into the top 8 passive income ideas that not only provide steady cash flow, but also position you for long-term financial freedom. Whether you're just getting started or looking to diversify your income sources, these ideas are simple, scalable, and sustainable. Let's explore how you can make your money work for you. 1. DePIN Hardware Validator Nodes. DePIN Hardware Validator Nodes are a game changer in the world of decentralized infrastructure. With this passive income model, you host small physical devices, such as Helium 5G hotspots or HiveMapper dashcams, that provide utility to decentralized networks. These devices are crucial for supporting networks that facilitate data collection, like Wi-Fi and mapping services, which are essential for AI, logistics, and other emerging technologies. Why does this work so well? It's a simple plug-in and forget model. Once you've set up your device, it begins generating revenue by providing a service that companies need, like decentralized data collection. In return, you're paid in network tokens, offering you a regular stream of income without the need for constant involvement. The beauty of DePIN Hardware Validator Nodes is that they allow you to participate in the infrastructure that powers modern technology, making a fantastic long-term passive income idea that requires low maintenance. Over time, this income can add up as you participate in the growing demand for decentralized services. 2. Fractionalized green energy yields. If you're looking to combine sustainable investing with passive income, fractionalized green energy yields are a great choice. By using platforms like SunExchange, you can invest in solar panels or wind turbines and earn a share of the electricity they generate. These renewable energy projects are typically backed by long-term contracts with schools, hospitals, or other institutions that purchase the generated electricity. This model works because you earn a monthly dividend from the electricity sold, often through government-backed energy contracts that last 20 years or more. Investing in solar or wind energy allows you to participate in the green economy while earning passive income from something that will only grow in demand as the world transitions to cleaner energy. The best part? You can start with relatively small amounts of money, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced investors. The consistent dividends from these projects can become a reliable source of long-term passive income while contributing to a cleaner planet. 3. Tokenized real estate, RWA, yielding. Real estate has long been a cornerstone of wealth building, but the traditional barriers to entry, such as high down payments and property management, have deterred many from getting involved. Tokenized real estate, RWA, changes this by allowing you to purchase fractional shares in rental properties for as little as $50. Platforms like Lofty and Realty enable you to invest in these properties without the headaches of owning physical real estate. Once you own a fraction of property, you earn rental income paid out in stablecoins. This payment structure is beneficial because it allows you to receive dividends on a daily or weekly basis, providing a reliable cash flow. Tokenized real estate offers all the benefits of property ownership, such as regular rental income and appreciation, without the responsibility of property maintenance or dealing with tenants. It's an excellent option for those looking to diversify their portfolios and generate long-term passive income without the traditional challenges of real estate. 4. AI agent rental licensing. AI technology is rapidly advancing, and one of the most exciting passive income opportunities is licensing specialized AI agents. These AI agents, such as an AI legal assistant or an AI SEO auditor, can be built and rented out on platforms like OpenAI's GPT Store. Once the logic and functionality are developed, you can lease the agent to others and earn a percentage of each subscription or per use fee. The key to success with AI agent rentals is that once the agent is created, it requires no further manual input from you. The income from these agents can continue to flow in without active involvement, making it an ideal passive income stream. With the demand for specialized AI services only growing, creating and renting out these agents provide an opportunity for long-term passive income with minimal ongoing effort. It's a perfect option for those who have the skills to develop AI applications and want to create a recurring revenue stream. 5. Data brokerage for medical/AI training. In the digital age, Data is one of the most valuable assets, and there's a growing market for selling your personal, privacy-preserving data. Using apps that allow you to anonymously sell your health, fitness, or browsing data to research firms, you can generate passive income from the data you already generate. These privacy-preserving platforms ensure that your personal information remains protected while still allowing companies to benefit from the data they need to improve AI models or conduct research. Why does this work? Large language models, LLMs, require massive amounts of data to be trained, and they are constantly in need of human-verified information. By offering your data through privacy-focused apps, you earn a regular dividend from the data you're already generating. It's a simple way to monetize your data and turn it into a consistent passive income stream. As AI and medical research continue to evolve, the demand for verified, real-world data will only increase, making this a lucrative and long-term passive income idea. 6. Ghost digital real estate domain leasing. Another unique passive income opportunity is digital real estate in the form of domain leasing. In this model, you purchase high-intent, niche domain names and lease them to local businesses. For example, you could buy a domain like austininjurylaw.com and lease it to a law firm specializing in personal injury cases in Austin. The business benefits from the domain's SEO potential and local relevance, while you receive a consistent digital rent payment. Domain leasing offers several advantages. First, it's cheaper than owning physical real estate, but it still provides you with a steady stream of income. Domains are valuable digital assets, especially those that have high search engine potential or industry specific. This makes domain leasing a low-maintenance way to earn passive income. Once you acquire the right domains, you can lease them out to businesses looking to dominate local search results, and the income continues to flow in with minimal effort on your part. 7. Automated smart beta dividend portfolios. Automated dividend portfolios are an excellent passive income strategy for long-term wealth building. By using AI-powered robo-advisors, you can create a dividend aristocrat portfolio, an investment strategy that focuses on stocks with consistent history of dividend payouts. These portfolios are designed to automatically reinvest the dividends through a dividend reinvestment plan DRIP, allowing your investments to grow exponentially over time. What makes this strategy work is the power of compounding interest and automatic tax loss harvesting, which helps optimize returns while minimizing taxes. Once the portfolio is set up, it runs itself, reinvesting dividends into the highest yielding, safest stocks. This is a set-it-and-forget-it strategy that allows you to build wealth over time without having to constantly monitor or manage your investments. The longer you keep the money invested, the greater the compounding effect, making this an ideal option for long-term passive income. 8. Niche newsletter sponsorship loops. Creating a niche newsletter is another profitable passive income idea that leverages the power of specialized, high-intent audiences. With platforms like Beehive or Substack, you can create a fully automated newsletter that covers a specific industry or topic, such as daily AI news for architects. Once you've set up the curation logic and automated content generation, the newsletter essentially runs itself. The monetization comes through automated sponsorships, where advertisers pay to place ads in your newsletter. Because the audience is highly targeted and engaged, advertisers are willing to pay a premium for access. As long as a newsletter is curated well, you can generate a steady stream of passive income from ad revenue. With the right niche and automated processes in place, a newsletter can run with minimal effort while still providing consistent income. And there you have it, 8 passive income ideas that can help you build wealth long-term. From hardware-validated nodes and fractional solar investments to AI agent rentals and niche newsletters, these ideas provide diverse opportunities to earn passive income with minimal ongoing effort. The key to success is choosing the methods that align with your interests and strengths, then letting them work for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building passive income and financial freedom. Let me know in the comments which passive income idea you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.